What's up guys, we're back with the latest Samsung Galaxy leaks. There's a big new twist to the story. We'll be discussing everything along with a new exciting feature that is coming to the One UI 4.0. But first, breaking news, we have the hands-on of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra dummy. The same source that gave us the hands-on of the Galaxy S22's dummy is now back with the S22 Ultra's dummy, and they're very confident with their source. As you can see, once again this confirms that the P-shaped quad camera lens could very likely happen. It was previously reported that Galaxy S22 Ultra has two designs in the pipeline, but now it seems like Samsung has decided to go with the P-shaped quad camera setup. I have to say, not a lot of people are a fan of this, and I admitted myself that it doesn't look super exciting, but what is exciting is that it's got that squarish design like a Galaxy Note phone that is indeed making its comeback, and of course the built-in S Pen is coming as well. So I still overall love this phone, and I like to leave my overall final judgment to the time when we actually see the official final design. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Okay, we have some big change of plans when it comes to the upcoming Galaxy S22 launch. A new exclusive report from Samable.com says that Samsung is rethinking some big decisions regarding the launch of Galaxy S22 series because of the S21 FE. In case you guys don't know, Samsung actually promised us that every year we will see a Galaxy Fan Edition flagship phone. But this year, because of the global chip shortage, the Galaxy S21 FE's launch got so much delayed that it's now expected to be cancelled altogether. But according to this latest report, Samsung could still announce the Galaxy S21 FE via a silent press release. There won't be any unpacked event whatsoever in January of 2022 instead of the Galaxy S22 series, and move the S22 series launch back to the end of February around the MWC 2022 time, which was just like back in the days. The reason behind this move again comes down to global chip shortage. You may have heard previously that more regions could get Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 instead of the Exynos 2200. Even South Korean market was rumored to lose on the Exynos chip, so maybe this delayed launch is for securing as many chips as possible for a smooth Galaxy S22 series release. Plus, in this way, we still get the Galaxy S21 FE. However, because of its late launch, I still think that people would rather wait for the base Galaxy S22. Now lastly, Samsung is pumping out new beta versions of the One UI 4.0, and apparently the Beta 3 will add a pretty interesting feature. According to Iceuniverse, Samsung will add a pet portrait mode with the One UI 4.0 Beta 3. With the help of AI and software magic, it will all help you take better portrait mode photos of your pets. So that's all the latest news, big change of plans, plus the P-shaped quad camera seems like a reality. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.